Alright guys, let's make some salsa. This should be fun. So I'm going to take my peppers. I got serrano peppers and jalapeno peppers. And we are going to get these nice and seared. I'm going to chop my onion here and get it peeled really nicely. I'm going to throw it in my chopper after I get through with this, which I'll show you in a minute. Get this, get it cut up. Well, let's turn these around first. And then we're going to cut this onion up in fours, and then we're going to take it to the chopper here. And we'll put these onions in this thing, and then we're going to turn our chopper on. There we go. And once it's all chopped up, well, I'm not going to stir it because it ain't all chopped up. Maybe I put too much onions in it. Anyway, so we get it all chopped up. It's good enough. We'll put it to the side. Put it on the paper plate. Don't judge. I'm using paper plate. Well, let's go back and flip these because we don't want them to burn. We just want to sear. No, that's not the word. We want to char them a little bit. And yes, my stovetop is clean. It's just like that. I don't know how to get that undone. Anyway, so we put these on a paper plate. And now I am going to clean the top of the chopper and the inside of the chopper so I can get it ready for the next part. I'm just rinsing it out, so because I'm just going to be using it. And this is my new hand blender. I'm going to be doing a TikTok over this, so stay tuned for that. I'm showing you pieces of it. Okay, well, so now we're going to get our garlic chopped up, ready to go. Yeah, we're going to get our cilantro, and our peppers, and our garlic in here. We're going to chop it up. Now we're going to take the lid off of our tomatoes. These are diced tomatoes and fire roasted tomatoes, and we are going to put these in the pan. I doubled my recipe, so that's why there's so much tomatoes. Dump all your ingredients that you just chopped up into the pan with it, and then we're going to get this getting cleaned up. Now what we're going to do is cut up our lime, and we're going to freshly squeeze our lime into this. So I cut my finger, and that's why I'm squeezing these with my left hand instead of my right hand. Alright guys, so I'm going to be squeezing these limes and trying my hardest to not burn my finger and get the lime juice inside of my finger, because that shit hurts. So squeezy, squeezy, squeezy. Get this all nice and squeezed out. And then we're going to mix it together, and we're going to get some salt and some sugar, guys. When you get to the sugar part, you want 2 tablespoons if you're doing a regular recipe. This is a doubled recipe, so I'm doing a 1/4 of a cup. We're going to mix it together, and we're going to blend it. If you have a blender that has a heat function on it, I advise you to use that. Mine broke, so I am using this. Once I get it all mixed together, you are ready to serve. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all later.